On this slide, it's your job to find the rhyme that makes sense in the sentence. There are two boxes. The yellow box has a short poem titled Pat Had a Cat. The blue box has words, rhyming words, that would make sense at the end of each sentence. So let's look at the poem together. Pat had a cat. Put your finger on the title. The title is the name of the poem or the story. I hear two words that rhyme. What word rhymes with Pat? You're right, cat rhymes with Pat. Our first sentence in the poem, Pat had a cat, is the same as the title. Let's read the next sentence, and your job is to find a word that makes sense at the end of the sentence. A cat sat on a. Look in the blue box. What makes sense? What would a cat sit on? If you took your red circle and you moved it over to the word mat, that would make sense. The cat sat on a mat. Let's look at the next sentence. The cat had a. What word in the blue box would make sense in that sentence? The cat had a. Bat is the word that makes the most sense in that sentence. And our last sentence. And it wore a. What might a cat wear? Be very silly. If you put your red circle over the word hat, you would be correct. And this is how our poem would sound. Pat had a cat. Pat had a cat. The cat sat on a mat. The cat had a bat. And it wore a hat. Those words rhyme. Good job.